Hey developers, tired of writing Laravel models manually? Let me show you a package that will save you hours. This is the Reliese Laravel Model Generator. It automatically creates Laravel model based on your database structures, complete with relationship, doc blocks, and scopes. First, we need to install the package. Then, we need to configure it. Finally, clear the cache. Yes, finish the setup. This is the migration for posts. It has no model in models folder. This is for user. Now we can generate our model by using this command php artisan code models. Yes, now we can see our post model here. It includes relationship like has many, belongs to, and even accesses. Whether you are working on a legacy database or scaffolding a fresh project, Reliese keep your model synced and your code clean. Try it out and supercharge your Laravel development today. Link in the description.